Create 10 indices. Let's do these questions. Okay, first one, simplify. Really, how do you simplify this type of one? 2 to the power minus 1, 3 to the power minus 1. I will write eventually that this is 4 to the power 0. How do you simplify this type of one really? Then this means really then 2 to the power minus 1 means here really then this becomes really then here minus 1. Then generally when it comes to indices we write negative indices as positive indices. So here this can be written as in 2 to the power minus 1. Then when this minus 1 comes to the denominator, then this becomes plus 1, right? Minus 1 becomes plus 1. So really this is 1 over 2. Okay, we generally do not write this 1 here. So this is 1 over 2 really. Unless you can remember right now how to learn this one. Then 3 to the power minus 1 means really, then this is written as 1 over 3. Then a to the power minus 1 equals 1 over a. Don't forget it. Then b to the power minus 1 equals 1 over b. Then minus 1 becomes plus 1. Every time what do we do here? The question is, you have to simplify this one. So negative indices we write as positive indices. So this is written as 1 over 2. This one also can be written as 1 over 3. Then you know that as a power of 0, power is 0. Right now you know that 2 to the power 0 is 1, 3 to the power 0 is 1, half to the power 0 is 1. We accept, base we do not take as 0. But anyway, here when it comes to this value as then 4 to the power 0 equals 1. Right now here 1, that 1 means 1 over 1. We could make this, so that we can get the answer. A common denominator is taken here. Think of this one. Really, this type of one is, this type of one was taught for grade 6 students, really. Therefore, you can take to simplify this one, really. So, I could take, as the denominator 6, I think, right? So, 2 times 3 is 6. This side multiplied by 6, 3. This side multiplied by 2. Here 2. Then here, so that we can take here 6, then both sides we could multiply using the digit 6. 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, then here 2 over 6, and also here 6 over 6. And here 6, here 6, here 6. Right now we could add the numerator values 3 plus 2, 5 plus 6, 11. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 6, 11. This can be kept as a mixed number, that. Then, 5 over 6. The answer. Okay, we simplified. The second question of this one, really, here is indices question. 2x to the power minus 3, 2x to the power minus 3, y to the power minus 4 over x to the power minus 1. Here whole, as a whole, here the value is 2. Generally it has given to simplify. Generally, when it comes to indices questions, eventually, final answer is kept as positive indices. Therefore, anyway, we could multiply first these values, and eventually we could get the answer. We could keep the answer as positive indices. This means here 1 really. Then 2 means 2 to the power 1. Then 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 1 times 2 here, and also I will write this here. 2 to the power 1 times 1 here, then x to the power minus 3 times 2 here. Really, why do I simplify really in this sense? So that you can understand, so that you can realize properly. Y to the power minus 4 times 2. And also, then here, x to the power minus 1. There are no any values here, therefore that needs to be written in the denominator. Here, x to the power minus 1. Now, let's remove the brackets here. So, 2 to the power 1 times 2 to the power 1 times 2 means then 1 into 2. Then here 2 to the power 2. Okay. So 2 to the power 2 here. Yeah. I will simplify. I will clean this part, right? So that I can take this space so that I can use this space. So really this means then 2 into 1 2, then 2 to the power 2, and also this segment is we could write here, and also then here this bracket also can be removed here. Here minus, here plus, plus times minus minus, then x to the power minus 6, then here minus into plus, here it multiplies, then y to the power minus 8 over x to the power minus 1. Now we could simplify. Generally, what do we do here really? We we simplify, we write negative values as positive values every time we do it when it comes to indices. So here 2 to the power 2 can be written as, then 2 times 2 is 4 here 4, and also this x to the power minus 1 becomes x to the power plus 1 when it goes to the numerator, right? And this x to the power minus 6, x to the power minus 6 becomes really when this x to the power minus 6 goes to the denominator. This minus 6 becomes plus 6, right? Plus 6. And also this y to the power minus 8 becomes y to the power plus 8. Really, what did I do here? Then this minus 1 was it was written as x to the power plus 1. It goes to the numerator, right? The denominator value x to the power minus 1. And also these numerator values, when they are coming to the denominator, then these values we write as positive values. Then x to the power minus 6 becomes x to the power plus 6. Then this one also becomes plus 8. Then 4x. Then these two values can be simplified. X to the power 1 over x to the power 6. Then when it divides, indices, we generally subtract indices. So 6 minus 1 is 5. Then 6 minus 1 is 5. Then here x to the power 5, and also y to the power 8, you how to write, then there are no any y values, therefore you can't simplify. So really, sorry. Then yes, this is the answer. 6 minus 1 is 5. Then 6 minus 1 is 5. X to the power 4 over x to the power 5 into y to the power 8. This is the answer of this one. This cannot be simplified more. Really, are we able to simplify this 4 and this 8? I mean, this 4 and this 8, we can't. Here is an index value, right? Then here is a digit. So this is the answer. Okay, let's meet in the near future as well. If you are, don't forget, if you are a newcomer, you could subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can take more videos in the future as well.